Hello friends, this is our English class and today we are going to start our next new poem, Nature. But before going to start that poem, we have to learn some new words. Which words we have to learn? See here, downside. Take out page number 2. Textbook. English Balbharti, page number 2. See here downside, page number 2. To learn these new words. Okay, so see first one, nature. Nature, nature. Number 2, might. Might, might. Next one, strong. Strong, strong. Repeat after me. See this. Beauty, Beauty, beauty. Next one, moody, Moody, moody. Then smart, Smart, smart. This one, blue, Blue, blue. Green, Green, green. See last line. True, true. Ever, ever. Then free, free. So these hard words you have to learn today. Write in notebook one time and learn it and repeat it again and again. Okay? We will see once again. Nature, nature. Might, Might, might. Strong, strong. Beauty, beauty. Moody, moody. Smart, smart. Blue, blue. Green. True. Ever. Free. Okay students, so today we have learned these hard words and next period we will see poem number 2, nature. But before that you have to learn these words. Okay.